We're feeding some corn to the Fireball mullet here.
All right, Tim. Looks like they passed his tech inspection.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Well, we're on the way. Got Fireball in the back, trailing it up to LS Fest, and I'm super excited. I got everything ready, got it prepped. I went ahead and took the day off and to get things ready. So we're gonna have an amazing time. I signed up for a few of the track events, so I can't wait to actually do some of those. I've never even raced the car before, so I'm sure I'm gonna suck. Not gonna be very competitive, but the car is freaking phenomenal. Like it's running badass right now. It's screaming. See some other third gens as well. I'm hoping to see a bunch of third gens out here with some LS and GM EFI power plants. So on the way, I'm gonna stop by my buddy's house in Voldasta, Georgia on the way up, and then in the morning we'll leave from there, and I'll go ahead and hopefully make the check-in as at 12 o'clock. I might get there at 1 or 2, something like that, and then we'll go ahead and get ready for some of the events. We'll get checked in the hotel. I gotta say, you know, I really built the car to do these long trips, and look, I would drive the car to San Diego right now. But I gotta say, man, and I've never really trailered a car to events or anything like that. I borrowed a buddy of mine's trailer from Duncan Motorsports, my buddy Joe. Dude, this is nice. I mean, just sitting back, music, AC, you know, just a very smooth ride. I can barely tell the car's behind it. And, you know, doing long road trips, especially if you bring a wife or your significant other, it's a great experience, and it just kind of, I don't know, I kind of like it. I like it a lot more than I thought. I thought I would be like, oh man, I got to drive the car to the event. But this is kind of cool because I've got the truck loaded with all kinds of tools and jack, and I brought about 20 gallons. I bought 20 gallons of E85 with me out of the gas station that I normally get, so I have some extra E85 with me in case I need some more gas. So yeah, it's it's pretty cool. I'm really enjoying this. I'm not doing the drag strip obviously because I need a rear. I need a rear before I can you know, put some stickies and hook and do that kind of thing. So that stuff's going to come next time though, because I am going to be getting a rear soon. Anyway, this video is just a little bit of a primer of what's coming up, what's going on in my trip to LS Fest. And I've got Fireball mullet behind me, and it's tracking nice. I can barely feel this behind me, and this is a great way to travel. I'm hitting a few rainstorms, which kind of sucks because I had that thing gleaming. I mean, I had it waxed and everything else, but oh well, it is what it is. I don't know if I'm going to do the car shows at LS Fest or not. It just depends on how the autocross. So, and then at LS Fest, I didn't realize they actually have 2 different locations depending on what group they put you in. So it could be at the Beach Bend, or they have another track. I think they call it the NCM or something like that. It's going to be at another track. So depending on what group you're in and what you're running, I think all the drag racing is going to be at Beach Bend, and some of the autocrosses too. They're just kind of splitting it up in different groups, it looks like. So, and then of course the car show and all that's going to be at Beach Bend.
All right, guys, we're at Bucky's. Stop for some gas. Yeah, been a nice trip so far. All right, let's go up in here and check it out. LS Fest, boing bound, baby. Check out Bucky's. Nice. Hi, Bucky. Bucky Beaver. Damn, they got a freaking store up in here. Look at this. Oh, you gotta get some glasses too. No, don't get no Costas, yeah. Damn, this is crazy. So we gotta do the Bucky's, you know what I'm saying? Look at that, cooler. Nice coolers.
Bucky truck.
Bucky truck.
LS in that bitch.
We taking it.
Yeah.
Go to LS Fest. We'll swap it in no time, man. We'll put a LQ9 in it. And that's cool. Damn. Bacon. Jerky. Damn, that's cool. Well, we got to get some beaver nuggets. Go ahead and grab some of these for the trip.
Hit record. I'm not good at this, Steve.
Damn it, you're fired. God damn it.
Damn it, man. Oh, there's some nice little rock features, whatever the hell.
Coming through Tennessee on our way to LS Fest in Bowling Green, Kentucky. That's beautiful. Well, we ain't in Florida anymore. There's some hills, man. My truck's like, what the hell? I got a downshift and stuff?
This would be fun to drive if you was in a car.
Oh, yeah. We'd be fucking...
Yeah.
We'd be blowing up the Michelin Pilot Sports. Or that Michelin Pilot Sport. This is pretty vicious.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right, boys and girls. I just gotta find some documentation here.
All right, got the registration. Tim and I made the trip. Looks pretty simple. You just scan a QR code supposedly, and then they register you. And then I think we can get taxed once we get through here. Kind of see here, there's a check-in, a few cars parked out here. I think we're pretty early here. I don't see a lot of people. I thought it'd be a lot of line out, but yeah, so that's basically it. What do you think, Timmy?
I think it's cool, man.
Yeah, ready to do it?
Yes, sir.
Be my co-pilot. Crew chief.
Yeah.
There you
We're feeding some corn to the fireball mullet here.
go. Bucky likes corn. Man, this is exciting.
Yeah.
We kind of went through the tech first pass and we were all good, except we forgot our helmets in the truck.
Derp.
So we had to ride back to the hotel and we're gonna grab the helmets, we're gonna fuel up, clean out the miscellaneous loose parts and roll down there, and then we get a steak and beer.
Yeah, I second the beer.
Tim's a little cranky if he goes past 5 o'clock without a beer.
Yeah, it's way past 5 o'clock my time.
Dude, this is
But I get to graffiti up the fireball mullet with a bunch of stickers.
yeah, check it out.
I'm glad I had this idea to bring gas. I should have filled up though before I left.
Yeah, it would have been a smart thing to do, Stan.
I was late.
I don't remember what side he said to put the parking pass and the Holly thing. I think the parking pass. Parking pass goes on the bottom. Holly thing goes on the top.
Exactly. You
Yeah.
got it.
All right. I remember now. That 5 gallons going to get us there and back.
I don't know. Probably. It already had fuel in it.
Yeah, it was about a quarter tank, but if it's like my car, quarter
Put
tank
2 in
comes, it's damn near, it's gone.
I'll put 2 in it.
Oh, okay.
Shit, I don't care. Let me see what that gives us though. That's 5 gallons.
Key in it.
Straight up.
Yeah, we're right at half a tank. It's still rising a little bit.
Yeah, let's get another one.
All right.
Oh, I can just view that on the lid, just switch the lids. All right, Tim. Looks like they passed his tech inspection
We're ready to go crash.
for autocross.
I
Yeah.
wasn't listening.
Yeah, he said I have to.
That was your job to pay attention. You're
Yeah.
the driver.
We're good, man. Tim said we're good.
We're good.
Techs are all good. We got our
Tires
stickers
good.
on. We got our stickers. Got our helmets. We had to go back to the hotel and get our helmets. We were getting all tech. They gave us some. Look, check this out. We got nice stickers all over. Man.
Corn on his finger.
Yeah, I filled it up with some more E85, spilled all over my hands. So we're gonna go eat some steak and get some beer.
Beer.
Right? I think he's crumpy. We gotta get him some beer.
Beer.
Yeah. So this is pretty cool.